If your workspace is starting to look a little dusty, this all-in-one keyboard cleaning kit is a total lifesaver for your desk setup. It's a multifunctional tool designed to deep clean everything from your mechanical keyboard to your laptop screen and even your earbuds. It's features a retractable high-density brush that effortlessly sweeps away crumbs and dust from between your keys and even includes the keep cut puller so you can finally get to those hidden dirt underneath. For your screen, it comes with a built-in cleaning spray bottle and high-quality microfiber polish cloth that removes finger trip and smudges from the MacBook, iPad, or monitor without leaving any streaks. I also love the specialized earbuds cleaning pen. It has a silicone nib for stubborn grime, a small brush for the mesh, and flocking sponge that reaches deep into the charging case. It's incredible compact and portable so you can keep it in your laptop bag or a desk drawer. Whether you're a gamer, a student, or just someone who wants to keep their tech in pristine condition, this kit is an ultimate accessory to keep your gadgets looking brand new.